Good morning, good afternoon, good evening all over the world mga paps. Today is June 15, Father's Day. So happy Father's Day to all tatay, to all daddy, papsi, ayan, sa mga nanay na nagpapakatatay. Happy Father's Day to all of you guys. At eto, tayo nagbabiyahe. Father's Day today, pero kailangan nating maghanap buhay. Kailangan nating gawin yung ating trabaho, even Father's Day celebration. But kami naman ay nag-celebrate na last Friday. At nang sama-sama kasi every one of us sa different schedule kasi malalaki na yung mga anak namin. At eto, samahan nyo ako sa aking paglalakbay patungo sa ating trabaho. So sa mga father dyan na nagse-celebrate ngayon, so happy Father's Day and enjoy lang natin ang buhay at mahalin natin ang ating pamilya. So eto, samahan niyo ako, let's go. So before that mga pap, samahan nyo muna ako, daan tayo sa isang event na kung saan ay may celebration ng Father's Day car show. So doon sa may celebrity church. So samahan nyo ako mga paps at tingnan natin kung ano-ano bang klase ng sasakyan yung mga naka-display. At napakaganda ng panahon mga paps. So sigurado magaganda sasakyan yung ating makikita ron. Mapa vintage, model car, mga modelo or kung ano-anong klaseng sasakyan mga paps. So sabi ko nga, ayan, bilisan na natin. Kung tayo ay makarami makikita. So at ito na nga, nandito na tayo at nakapaghahanap tayo ng parking spot. At mukhang maraming tao mga paps. So hanap tayo ng parking spot. So ayan, napakarami ng mga sasakyan nagdadatingan. At ito na nga mga paps, nandito na tayo. So ayan, una nating makikita yung mga vintage car na siguro ay mga year 1940 or 1950 itong mga sasakyan na to. Ayan mga paps. Ayan, nilip up yung sasakyan. So ayan, at panoorin na lang natin mga paps yung ating mga makikita sasakyan. What year is that? It looks like the car looks normal and it's just sitting on something else. Like it's like two cars stuck together. Right. Genuine redneck birds. You got a winch on it. The biggest car. Another 1939. Still running.
And again, we are doing a fundraiser today for the Stollery Children's Hospital, one of their best causes out there. To contribute, all you got to do is throw a couple of bucks in that bin that they've got over here on the table beside me, and you'll be able to win a draw for 4 tires and area. Once again, folks, stick around. We get trophies to give away right around 3 o'clock. And I believe that's when we're doing the draw for the tires.
Ay, gonna do mine like that. All the mugs is here. There's a lot of car here.
On behalf of everyone here that celebrates the church, we just want to say a special happy Father's Day. Just want to let you know about a few things that are happening throughout the grounds. We have food trucks available on Gerard Road, just south of the buildings. Make sure you grab something there. There's a family fun zone that is happening in the Dome building. That is Celebration Church building on the west side of the parking lot. There is awesome inflatable games, face painting, and crafts with kids. Yeah, make sure you check it out. We also have
Ayan. Dito yung mga food truck. Ayan, food truck. Klase ng pagkain. Ayan, merong Pilipino din dito. Ice cream, ang isang Mercedes van, ayan, social scoop. Ayan, parang sa kababayan natin to. Pilipino, yo? Pilipino, Buko Pandan. Queso, Mangga, Buko Pandan, Pilipino, Rocky Road, Manila Twist. Ayan. Ang another Filipino food truck. Ayan. Social scoop. Ayan, no? Ang isang Mercedes ice cream.